In this video, I'll show you how to add a freeze frame in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, make sure you have your clip in the timeline. Move the playhead to the exact point where you want to freeze the frame. Now, right-click on your video in the timeline and look for the option that says Insert Frame Hold Segment. Click on it and a freeze frame will be added at that point. To adjust the length of the freeze frame, first, drag the right section of the video to the right. This will make space for the freeze frame without overlapping with the rest of your video. Now, hover your mouse over the edge of the freeze frame. Click and drag to the right to make it longer, or drag it to the left to make it shorter. Once you have adjusted the duration, join all the clips together. Now, when you play the timeline, you will see the freeze frame hold for the set duration before continuing with the video. And that's how you add a freeze frame in Adobe Premiere Pro.